ICC, International Criminal Court. The ICC is a permanent international court established to prosecute individuals for the most serious crimes of international concern, such as genocide, war crimes, and crimes against humanity. It is headquartered in The Hague, Netherlands. ICJ, International Court of Justice. Also located in The Hague, the ICJ is the principal judicial organ of the United Nations. It settles legal disputes between states and gives advisory opinions on international legal issues referred to it by the UN or specialized agencies. ICTY, International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia. The ICTY was a UN court that prosecuted individuals responsible for serious violations of international humanitarian law during the conflicts in the Balkans in the 1990s. It was based in The Hague and concluded its work in 2017. ICTR, International Criminal Tribunal for Rwanda. Similar to ICTY, the ICTR was established to prosecute individuals responsible for the 1994 Rwandan genocide. It also concluded its work in 2015. ECHR, European Court of Human Rights. The ECHR is a regional court established by the Council of Europe to hear applications alleging violations of the civil and political rights set out in the European Convention on Human Rights. Interpol, International Criminal Police Organization. Interpol facilitates international police cooperation and assists law enforcement agencies in different countries to combat transnational crime and terrorism. UNODC, United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime. UNODC works to combat illicit drugs, transnational organized crime, corruption, and terrorism. It provides assistance to member states in strengthening their criminal justice systems. HRC, Human Rights Council. The HRC is an intergovernmental body within the United Nations system responsible for promoting and protecting human rights around the globe. UNHCR, United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. While not a court, UNHCR plays a significant role in seeking justice for refugees and displaced persons by providing protection and assistance and advocating for their rights. IACHR, Inter-American Commission on Human Rights. Part of the Organization of American States, the IACHR promotes and protects human rights in the Americas and monitors the human rights situation in member countries.